Hi, y'all. Kind of got started without you. I did a few of them because I know it's going to be time consuming anyways, because there ain't no way I'm going to be able to do all these on a 30-minute video. So, just saying. So what I've done is started without you by just gluing these extra pages to these things like I wanted to do. Why does that feel gluey? Did I get glue somewhere? Where did I feel that at? I don't know. Wait, it's right there. I felt that. Or is it just in my imagination? Probably just my imagination because my finger's sticky. So anyways, what I did here on this one, I just wanted to give credit where credit's due. I watched Rachel over at Roxy Creation. She has a tendency to fold, instead of cutting stuff off, she just clips it away where it'll just fold around to the other side. So what I did, and I'm going to show you that up close. Hold your eyeballs. I'm going to do it real slow so I don't make you too dizzy. I love how I got it up higher now. Y'all can... I love it. But all I did was cut it here and just fold it over. That is just this. This is the extended page part to give it a length so there's more writing space. And I just folded it. I cut it there and just folded it around to give it more strength there. And the same thing, I did the same thing down here, which I can't seem to get my... There we go. I did it right there as well. So I just thought I'd show you that. I'll pull you back out without making you too sick, hopefully. Now, I don't have you all the way up. I have it close enough that you can still see up close. But these are just writing spots for us to write on, me and my niece. So the other pages are... I just glued this down, so now I've got a pocket here out of that special paper, which is really thin. I didn't do this yet. This is a pocket. I gotta assemble it and do stuff to it. This is another one that I did. It's an extended page. Just like I said, it gives extra writing spaces. And you gotta remember, there's a lot of stuff you write about someone. You know, that's why they're called memory books. And because my sister loved horses, this is a picture from a All Horses Go to Heaven. I thought that was really fitting as well. And it's just an extended page. And it doesn't matter what it says here because it's just me and my niece going to read from it. And if my daughter does choose to want to add to it, you know, or other members of the family, if they choose to, they can. Now, so that's where I'm at. Now I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I might be quiet, which is probably best, because I have a tendency to talk about things I don't need to be talking about. Now, hopefully my battery won't kill over. It might. I probably should have went ahead and changed that out. I don't know why I didn't think about that. It happens. Okay, this one's going to go under it instead, so I think I was going to make that into either a tuck spot that way or bring it on top. No, I want it under because I thought that looked really cool. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to make that a U-shape pocket. I noticed that here lately I'm using the what do you call it, glue, art glitter glue here instead of the Fabrifix. Usually I use Fabrifix, and this time I don't know, I just feel the need to use Fabrifix. I mean art glitter glue. I said Fabrifix. Okay, why did that do this? Don't you hate that when it moves and it gets all in the stuff you're trying not to get it in? There we go. Gotta make sure it doesn't stick to the page below it though. I just got glue all over my fingers. Go down the bottom part. Open this up so it's not going to stick to this paper. Part of that paper, I mean. There we go. It's not a big deal. There's a piece hanging right here, which is not a big deal. I can tell it must be because I'm wiping it and it's shifted upwards. Trying to pull it down, but it's not working. Yeah, I kind of got it off a little bit. You know, it happens. Not a big deal. There's that one. That's really cool. I like that paper for that kind of reason. There's that one. Glue this, make a pocket out of it. Keep my eye up there, making sure that the camera does not, the battery doesn't end my video without me knowing it. Ah. Now here I could have actually taped that, but I thought why not put a little glue on there too. I could still tape it, not a big deal. Yeah, get some tape out. I have bought some cool looking tapes from Daiso, if I can find them. That's an old one. I think this one's pretty. This one's cute too. So these are some that I found at Daiso. I think I already showed these in a Daiso haul. Gotta touch that so it'll focus on that. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's real pretty. This one's got metallic to it. And this one's got pretty pink and blue, blue leaves, pink flowers, which is kind of strange, but cool. Let's see, what else do I have? I have this one. I have this one. Ooh, I like that one better. What does that look like? That's purple, so that's pretty. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with the purple. I'm going to go with this purple because my sister liked purple. Her favorite color was green. But she also liked purple because my grandmother was a purple person when she passed on. You know, that's things you find out and you learn about family members that you didn't know. That our grandmother loved lavender. Lavender was her favorite color. And when my sister found out, she's like, oh, that's my favorite color too. I was like, yeah, right. Your favorite color is green. Don't even try me. Don't even try me, woman. And she would just start laughing. She's like, I know. She goes, but I still like lavender too. I was like, well, I do too. It's not a big deal. We all love lavender. It's pretty. You know? There we go. And that's cute. That's kind of cute there. Keep that on that. Now I'm going to just kind of outline it down here as well so it'll all come together. So it'll all come together. Sometimes my accent will come out and I'm sorry about that. I can't help it. I was born in Florida. Okay, it's too high. I was born in Osceola County, Florida. A long time ago. Like in the ancient years. Yeah. So I've always been Southern. I just lived in Texas more than I have Florida. I moved to Texas when I was 10, going on 11. So, yeah. This just right. Oh, that's so pretty. I do like that. It's not something I had planned to do. I actually like that. Now, something else I want to do. About right there. See if I can get it behind the pocket first. Hopefully I can. To overlap that if I can help it. Come on now, behave. And then grab that, fold it over, just like that. Why do I have that there? And now she can see that, and so can I. And it can kind of see it on this side too. But if I want to, I can outline this side with this tape too. Might go all out on that one. But I'm going to wait on that one because I need to get the rest of these done. I'm hem-hawing around. That's my country. I need to put something on here as well. Let's see, what do I have? Got it hand, what do I got? I got this paper here, and that's a pretty green. I think I might go with that. I think I'm going to go with that. that, and we're going to take this out about there. I'm just trying to estimate where I need to make sure that I do that at. Okay, I don't know how much y'all seen. My battery died. Hopefully it didn't miss too much. I didn't do anything but fold this correctly, and probably was talking about stuff I shouldn't be saying out loud. I don't remember what I was talking about anyway. Okay, so I'm going to glue this around this. This is just a envelope. This is the 2 envelopes that you put in that I showed. So this is the flap to the other envelope. So I can make a little page here to make a cover. So what I'm going to do is glue this to that and give this a little place here. And I don't even have to cut this back. I might just leave it as is. It gives it a difference of depth, you know, to give a grip to it. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Now, my question is am I going to make it into a pocket? Or am I going to just make it solid? I think I'm just going to make it solid. It makes it, I have a pocket here. So I think I'm just going to make this solid as a place there to write and here to write as well. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Yep. Let's see. What did I do with it? There it is. Oh, it's underneath my chair. So, now. I wanted to quit pressing so hard. Am I missing any spots? I don't think I did. I don't think I did. There's already enough glue on that side to do me a lifetime, so. Just gotta make sure where it connects, and I just now realized I just sat that on the glue. How much glue is on that side? Probably a lot. Actually, I'm gonna use this maybe. Just gonna stick that back there. Put that behind there. And get it to quit sticking because it's wet from the glue getting stuck to it. See where the glue got on it there. So right there is going to be harder for me to write on that anyway. So, you know. Yes, that was my mouth. I'm mad at it for doing that. So I'm going to try and see if I can't wipe it off. I don't know if I can. I doubt if I can. I doubt it's soaking the paper. Again, see if it's still sticky. Okay, hopefully it'll be fine. Okay. Just gonna move on. Don't look at it twice because it's just gonna aggravate you. This is another tuck spot, so I'm just going to glue that one. Yes, there's okay. Wasn't sure. I'm going to grab a different one. I'm going to use this one this time, which looks like, what do they call them? Hydrangea. I'm going to do this in a little different. I'm going to go all the way up to here. Maybe that just stick up a little bit. I don't think it's going to. Okay, I need to cover that. Just come down to here. I can always cut off the excess if I need to.